everybody, how's it going? This is Danny, the Wicked Awesome Gardener, and today we are gonna do a cooking video because I just harvested the rhubarb from my garden. This is the plants that were growing in my parents' side yard since I was a little kid, and then I found out that actually they've been there since my aunt was a little kid, and she's in her early 70s. So, yeah, I figured I had to cook with this, had to make something out of it right away. Now, I actually haven't had rhubarb for over 20 years. My friend Natalie and I, we used to work together at Stop and Shop, and sometimes on our breaks, we would treat ourselves by getting half a pie, and our favorite was always the strawberry rhubarb. So I don't want to go into the whole thing of making pie crust and all that because I don't really love pre-rolled pie dough. I have to make it myself. So instead of doing that, I'm just gonna make a quick and easy strawberry rhubarb crumble. I've already gone through chopping all of the rhubarb and the strawberries, so you guys don't have to deal with that tedious part. We're gonna get right into the recipe, right into the cooking. So I've already, like I said, chopped them into 1/4-inch pieces. And that's how the recipe starts out. So I'll go reposition the camera and take you right in. So in this bowl we have 2 cups of strawberries, 2 cups of rhubarb, and to that we are going to add a 1/2 cup of sugar. That feels like a lot of sugar, but this stuff is tart. Then we're gonna go ahead and add 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 1/2. Teaspoons of cornstarch. It's actually supposed to be 1.5 tablespoons, but I can't find my tablespoons. So 1.5 tablespoons is equal to 4.5 teaspoons. And then we're gonna add just 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. So I'm kind of judging this here because I don't have a 1/8 teaspoon. I just have a 1/4 teaspoon, so I'm just gonna go 1/2. There we go. I'm gonna toss that around. Get it nice and coated. Oh, it smells good already. Now we're gonna set that aside. Now we're gonna move on to our dry mixture. And so in here we have 3/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour. We're gonna throw in 1/3 of a cup packed brown sugar, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And yeah, I made that a heaping teaspoon because I like a little extra cinnamon. Then we've got 6 tablespoons of cold butter. You want to kind of chop that up a little bit. And you want it cold so that it just doesn't all melt right away and leave this a runny kind of mixture. So we get that. And then 3 tablespoons of sugar. But I don't have my tablespoon, I've just got my teaspoon. The conversion for that is 3 teaspoons of sugar for every 1 tablespoon. I feel like it already kind of has enough sugar. I'm gonna just kind of leave off there. It should be 9, I think that was 8. I lost count, oops. So if it's the tiniest bit tart, is that really going to be the worst thing? No. So then we're gonna go ahead and mix that all in. We wanna kind of push this butter in and make this so it's a kind of soft, crumbly mixture. I do not have a stand mixer or any sort of fun tools. I mean, I'm just working with what I've got. And right now that's a fork. It works, just takes a little longer. Ta-da! Soft and crumbly. Now we're gonna take our rhubarb strawberry mixture that's just been sitting here. I'm gonna try and get all that sugary mixture down the bottom. Feeling with all the sugar in here, this thing's gonna be plenty sweet without it, but oh yeah, look at that. Doesn't that look scrumptious? Oh my goodness. Then we take this, just sprinkle it over the top. I've already preheated my oven to 375 and we're gonna cook this for 45 minutes till the fruit is nice and bubbly and this is nice and crisp. Forgot to mention that when we cook this, like I said, at 375, we're gonna cook it on the center rack and place a baking sheet underneath it so that the fruit doesn't burn on the bottom. Now we wait. There we go, fresh out of the oven. It looks so good. All right. Moment of truth. I'm gonna get myself a big old scoop here of this strawberry rhubarb crumble. Woohoo! Again, I haven't tasted rhubarb in a couple of years. All right, ready? Oh, that is so good. You know what this needs though, right? Oh yeah. All right. Now for real. Some whipped cream, some of the topping. That is really, really good. All right, I'm gonna go finish this. Thank you guys for coming along today. Wow, I forgot how good rhubarb is. All right, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up. Have you made anything with rhubarb? Do you have rhubarb that's growing in your garden that's just going to waste every year? Go ahead, harvest it, freeze some if you have to, but guys, you gotta cook with this. This is amazing. It is so good. I'm gonna go finish this. Bye-bye.